Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we're going to review the Colored Raine palette. Very cute. And then because this is a little dark for me, I also have some singles of theirs. They're right here. And I will probably use that one there just to, you know, do the base shade and stuff. I heard about this brand from Stephanie Nicole. Her link will be below. She is an amazing YouTuber who does really in-depth reviews. If you're really want to know like all about a product, not just like how it works like I do on my channel, which is mostly just a, hey, look what I found, let's see how it does. She actually does cost breakdowns, formulas, the whole works. I am in awe of her abilities. She actually works in the makeup industry, so she knows what she's talking about. She did a review of these palettes like in November, and they were on sale at the time, and I just had to try them out after seeing it. And look at this palette, it is so beautiful. So there's Pink Berry. I love those pink gold shades. This is Purple Berry, Platinum Berry, Kiss Berry, Palm Berry, and Love Berry. Oh, that was a terrible swatch there, sorry. And the pigmentation on these is just stunning. Her suggestions, I have never been disappointed in. When she suggested this brand, this Indy Women of Color brand, I was like, sign me up for that. I want to try it out and see what they're like. And they had several other palettes that were beautiful. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this base shade right here, Birthday Suit, which is, you know, perfect name for that. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. I have that all over my lid, and now I'm going to go in with Kiss Berry, which is this red color right here. I think I'm going to use my Maughan number 20 brush for this. The colors are just wow. One of the things that drives me a little crazy is, you know, when you get an eyeshadow palette, you're like, these colors are beautiful, and you put them on your lid, and they're like, what happened to that color? Because they don't translate. These ones translate beautifully. Now I'm going to grab Love Berry, which is this real dark shade, and I'm just going to deepen up some of my outer V with that. These colors are just stunning. I'm going to take Purple Berry, which is this matte here, and I'm going to bring it in on my lid a little. Ooh, that has some kick up. So just tap your brush, don't swirl, which is what I just did. Oh yeah. That color is beautiful. Because I kind of erased all my Kiss Berry, I'm going to take it and I'm just going to sort of blend with a tiny bit, just tapping it a couple times. I love these. Wow. The last time I did this, I just used with the singles, I used only mattes. Now, because they are beautiful. I mean, the mattes in these are just stunning. You can do beautiful matte looks all day long with them. Shortcake in a single, and I have Pink Berry right there. And I think I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this Shortcake. And I'm just putting that, like, taking the Shortcake, which is the really orangey one, right in the center of my lid. Like that. And then, as I come in, I'm going to grab the Pinkleberry, and I will pick up some of that and just bring that all the way in. Oh gosh, yes. Color is just, Yeah, I'm a big fan of this. I'm gonna grab some more shortcake and I'm gonna kind of bring this across my lid so they sort of just blend together and go from lighter to darker, because those two colors are super happy together. And I'm gonna take my 19 brush again and I'm just gonna blend gently. Can we just talk about how them babies blend? They're stunning. Absolutely, yes, I love these. So I'm gonna take a really teeny tiny flat shader brush and I'm gonna pick up Purple Berry, which is this deeper color here, and I'm gonna do my lower lash line. Carefully, I'm just putting it in my lashes. And then I'm gonna take Kissberry and bring that in. And I'm gonna take the purple or Palm Berry, which is this purple right here, and I'm just going to see what that looks like on my lower lash line. So now I'm gonna take the Pinkleberry and just bring that out a little on the lower so that it meets up right there. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna grab my Milani Make It Last setting spray and my spray nozzle on that has decided that it's not happy anymore. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that Pinkleberry and on a damp brush and like put that right in that inner corner right there. It is brighter, but I can't tell if that's making like a huge difference or not. These are such pretty colors that it's hard to say. I'm gonna do my eyeliners and those type of things. I'm just gonna use my NYX purple eyeliner that I just got. And then I'm going to do my waterline with this. Kind of creating a really dramatic eye look today. I'm gonna grab some mascara. I have my Tardiest lash paint here that I got in my BoxyCharm. I haven't really tried this out yet, so let's give it a shot, see what it does. I'm actually really loving the look that this gives my eye. I also have my Real Her palette here from my BoxyCharm, and I think I'm gonna use this pink right here. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this Unstoppable. Hopefully I didn't overdo it on this side. It always looks like dew because the light hits it, especially one of the ones with some reflect in it, and it's like, oh my gosh, I went a little crazy with that. I got the Ofra Nikki tutorial set for Christmas. It's gorgeous, by the way. Coven is really dark, but I think but this is edging towards almost a goth look at this point. I'm not against goth, don't get me wrong. I kind of like goth some days. I'm gonna put another coat of mascara on. I don't have time to put on my lashes. Darn it. Time management skills today. I'm gonna take my Tardiest Pro Kit, use Strobe to highlight. Scandinavia setting spray, because that stuff is the bomb. Seriously, best setting spray on earth. I love these. Love, love, love this palette. What's not to love? And there are so many looks in here. I mean, I did a really, kind of bold look today. But you could easily go a different direction or even darker really easily with this. They had other sets that were warm tones, which I know a lot of you are going to be like, yes, give me that. And they had more pinky ones and stuff. Their palettes are stunning. No question about that. Stephanie Nicole, girl, you did it again. You totally sold me on another brand. I'm a huge fan. If you guys are like me and you're like skeptical or have a hard time buying into new brands, their singles, so you're not buying a whole palette, you could just buy like 3 singles for like 12 or 15 bucks or something like that, I think, and check them out and see what you think before you invest more money in them, because you know, just in case you're like, no, that's not for me. Because what I like might not work for you. That's just the case with makeup. Things that I love and work for me on my skin tone and with my skin type will not always work for you, and vice versa, which is why we all have our favorites and hated lists, and they like clash. I was watching somebody's hated list the other day. I was like, oh, they hate everything I love. That's okay. Makeup is super individual, and we all get to have what we love and look what we want to look like, because it's individual, and that's the great thing about it. So this is an indie women of color brand. If you want to support small brands, this is a great brand to support. I'm a huge fan of doing that. I think it's really hard for people to break into the cosmetic industry, and these brands that are coming in. Well, this one is cruelty-free. I am great with cruelty-free. I don't really like testing on animals. I think at this point it's kind of pointless. But I'm not like I'm gonna throw away everything in my collection type of person over that either. So, you know, I'm kind of one of those middle of the road people who will buy cruelty-free if it's available, and this is, and it's stunning. So go look at this instead of some of the other brands that aren't cruelty-free at all. What did you think? Have you tried this brand out? It's called Colored Raine. I will have their websites. If you haven't checked out Stephanie Nicole's channel, her link will be below, as I said before, because she's awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year!